Windows or Mac? Which one's actually better? Hey everyone, before you spend your hard-earned money buying a shiny machine, let me show you just 7 things your Windows PC can do that a Mac computer can't even dream of. This is TechWithBenam. Let's start with the most obvious, gaming. While Mac can run games, and honestly, Mac gaming is improving, I give you credit for that, but your options are limited. Let's be real, Windows hosts the main gaming festival, from AAA titles like Cyberpunk to VR racing sims, emulators and esports shooters. It's all built with Windows in mind. In all honesty, Mac's trying to catch up, Mac is joining, but Windows is your best bet here. Then talk about the freedom of customization. Mac looks really elegant, no lie, Apple nails the beauty, but that comes with rigidity as well. Mac lets you change your wallpaper, but there's so much to that on Windows. With Windows you can change almost everything, from your cursor and system sounds to taskbar behaviors and desktop widgets. Talk about third-party tools like Rainmeter and XWidget. You can literally take your desktop from that to this, or even this. If personalization is your thing, know that Windows has no equal. Now, regardless of the fact that Mac runs popular apps, Windows is still the go-to platform for developers and power users. Mac has some exclusives, sure, but obviously Windows offers more variety, whether it's productivity apps, system tools, or even options for extreme graphics cards. If it exists, it's most probably built for Windows. Simple as that. Upgrading PCs used to be like Legos. If you want to upgrade your RAM or add storage later, good luck doing that on a Mac. Most Mac computers are sealed shut. Cracking them open could mean breaking something or even losing the entire computer. Windows, PCs, especially desktops, and a lot of laptops by the way, are modular by nature. You can pick every single part to build your dream machine on your terms. Swapping parts and upgrading is so easy. Actually, your PC evolves with you. Now you can't deny the fact that Finder looks clean. I mean, way cleaner compared to File Explorer. No doubt in that. But I can't say the same for functionality. File Explorer is easier to navigate. It offers more control even for a beginner. Right-click options make way more sense, and there's less clicking around just to find your free space. I know Mac fans may not want to hear this, but once you get used to File Explorer, Finder feels like a downgrade. Garbage for sure. Let's talk about the plug and play. Ever plug a USB into a Mac and nothing shows up? Yeah, that's file system drama. APFS, HFS+, blah blah blah. You'll have to reformat just to make it work. Windows, even damaged or weirdly formatted drives have a better shot. Topping that off, Windows welcomes a vast fleet of accessories, often without that Mac compatible bull. It just works and it costs less. Now, last but not least, repairs. Oh boy, Mac fixes, they'll charge you the same as a whole Windows PC, sometimes just for wheels. Yes, actual Mac wheels cost hundreds. Windows machines, just think of a local garage. Plentiful standard parts at more friendly prices. You'll find those at local tech shops, eBay if you're scrappy, and assuming I'm right, Windows PCs are easier and way cheaper for tech trouble. Now look, both platforms have their strength. This ain't some fanboy war, but if you want flexibility and full control that's affordable for your computing experience, Windows clearly does more. Agree or disagree? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and hit that bell for more weekly tech breakdowns. At TechWithBenam we say, thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.